So ito lang po, basahin ko itong mismo rin po natanggap ko no na ipinapakalat po na impormasyon. Sabi po dito no, Senate Bill number 1979 known as the Prevention of Adolescent Pregnancy Act of 2023 is currently on third reading. While the title may sound well-intentioned, the contents of this bill pose a grave threat to our moral, societal, and spiritual values. The authors of the bill label it as an anti-teen pregnancy bill, but hidden within is a curriculum called Comprehensive Sexuality Education. According to the UNESCO Technical Working Guide, it is based on a curriculum which includes, eto na ha, teaching children as young as 4 years old about childhood masturbation, introducing 6-year-olds to the concept of bodily pleasures through the five senses, asserting that by age 9, children have their own sexual rights. Senator, ano po inyong masasabi po dito? Mahaba-haba ito, but basically po pinupulaan ang inyong panukala at meron nga pong gantong informasyon na kumakalat.
Yan pong mga sinasabi nilang laman ng Prevention of Adolescent Pregnancy Bill at kahit ng Comprehensive Sexuality Education provision ng aming bill ay, I'm sorry to say, mga fake news. Pagsisinungaling po yan tungkol sa bill. Walang ni isang pangungusap, salita, ni titik, ni punctuation mark sa bill ay nagtatalakay o lalo na nagsusulong ng sinasabi nilang mga childhood masturbation o sexual rights ng mga bata o meron pa silang ibang sinasabi na mga fake news. Wala po dyan sa bill at wala po sa CSE provision ng bill. Okay. And no bill that would pass in the Philippine Congress would ever include those. At para makorek lang din yung kanilang misinformation, nasa second reading pa lamang po na sponsor yung bill way back in 2023. Nandun po yun sa Senate website na bukas para sa public consumption. Naka-livestream din po ang YouTube, sa Senate YouTube, yung hearings niyan. Nasa second reading pa lamang. And actually, lahat po nung kanilang mga, masyado po silang advanced mag-isip yung ganyang mga disinformation, mga fake news, ay lahat malilinaw sa tamang proseso at venue at yun po ay yung periods of interpellation and amendments na last year pa po namin hinihintay sa Senate.